No more.
Here we come. And here we go.
Wow. Ooh.
Wow. Let's see. Second and about 11. 11 and a half, almost 12. Loss on the play. A lot of activity here. There's quite a few people at this game.
Who's number 70 on there? Big boy. Oh my God, he's a big boy. Get up!
Comes number 40.
Get up!
Come on, get him. There we go.
I can't tell.
Good job stringing him out.
Oh, where the guy is?
Third and about 10. All that work for a 2-yard gain.
Huh?
All that work for a 2-yard gain. He got about 2 yards. Let's see. It's like 40 and 22 in there. Third and 10.
Yeah!
Swamp in the backfield. Fourth down. And looks like about 4th and 14. Late in the game now. I'm going to assume they're going to go for it because it's a 46-yard line this side. I think they'll go for it. I think, yeah. They need 14. They need 14 yards.
Probably you're gonna lose anyway.
They need 14 yards.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna get it though.
And here we come. Big play.
Watch up! Come on!
Oh, they got him.
Oh my God!
What?
Okay.
No first down?
Let's see. It's going to be Vestal ball. He's about 7 yards short. Is up. I think that was game. Yep, that was game. Final score 26-13 Vestal, according to my count. Good game, too.
You see Zach do?
He was. What did he do, Billy?
I don't know what he did. All I know is he sacked the kid.
Crowd enjoyed the game. Yeah, I'd say the Vestal players enjoyed that by the looks. Good job by all.